So I have an event coming up on the 26th of May. I use Claude to kind of help me generate a text. I obviously didn't like the design that Claude gave me for a poster. And Canva is still a very template first tool. You browse and you look for something that looks close enough, and then you're back to that manual design process. But what if you can just grab this text, find a reference like something like this, and then eventually come up with your own custom design based on that inspiration, but with that original text that I needed for my own design. And that's what Veeso AI does. It doesn't just give you the nice output, but it also gives you the ability to edit the text over here, continue chatting with an AI to further improve your design, and eventually grab this frame and export it as an HTML file, which you can then eventually bring into Claude Code and build out your own custom website based on that initial design that Veeso gave you. And guys, by the way, my name is Lukas, and if you're into these types of topics, please feel free to join my Discord community. Link is down below. We're the creator network. We get together every single weekday to talk about different tools and topics. So yeah, guys, if you want to join, link is down below. All right, guys, so what actually is Veeso AI? Veeso is a content-first design tool, and I actually want to break down what that means. Like I said in the beginning, if you were to go to canva.com, you have a bunch of templates that you can explore. Let's say, for example, we like this one. We can click on customize a template. And once we're in, we can, change the text, we can change the images, we can even ask Canva to do certain changes for this template, but we can't really reference this template and start from something scratch. With Veeso, it's actually a little bit different. We start with the content rather than choose a template first and then change the content at the end. You can paste in your words, you can paste in docs, reference designs. You just describe what you need and this tool builds it. And as you can see down here, it supports different formats for social media, for marketing, for print. You can create LinkedIn carousels, Instagram carousel, basically every single marketing asset that you would need. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through a few examples and just pay attention to two things: how fast the output gets there and how much control you have once the design is generated. So for example one, we're gonna go up here to the top left and click on Magic Templates. And under Magic Templates, you have a bunch of different categories, from social media to album covers to healthcare themes. Under social media, you have a bunch of different examples of social media posts that you can kind of copy and remix. And this is like the cleanest way to kind of understanding what Veeso does. So I'm starting here. And let's say, for example, we really like this one. We can copy this style and then we can paste that style in the prompt, in the original prompt box, and also add an extra text just to give it some more context as to, who the main subject is, what the title should be, what the main headline should be. And then we want to paste that in the original prompt box here in the main site, and also add an extra text to kind of give Veeso additional context as to who the main subject should be, the titles, the headlines, the dates, the background details. And then again, you can go down here and you can adjust the size. I'm just going to keep this to auto, and then we can go ahead and click on generate design. And once we hit generate design, this is the first result that we get. So as you can see, we have our date, we have our sub headline, we have our main headline, we have the secondary headline, we have the paragraph text over here. And I can go ahead and select certain things. I can put my name over here if I wanted to. I can delete certain things like this, for example, move things around. I can change the fonts of certain text over here. And then again, if you want to, make certain changes, you can do so over here in the chat. And if you're done with your design, you can go ahead and share this. And I'm going to be doing this in a couple of minutes. But for example, number 2, I'm going to start working with a much more complicated piece of text. It has 2 pages, it has multiple paragraphs, it has a lot of context. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the prompt and import this document. Just going to write something simple, create a multi-page deck for this PDF document. We're going to make sure that we have multi-page brochure selected over here. And for the aspect ratio, I'm going to choose landscape. And what we get is the following. We get 4 different pages, the agentic shift. We have page number 1, page number 2, and then we have the back cover. But what if we wanted to make the style of this multi-page brief that we just created and match it to this poster, right? Because it's all going to be in the same brand. Well, what we can do is we can reference that design. So you can go over here and again, click on share and export this as a PNG. And then you can just simply add that to the chat over here and say, please adjust the design to match this style. And lo and behold, we have our new design with our new pages. So actually they're the same pages, but just the new design has been applied. So as you can see, basically new font, new colors, same layout, just this new adjustment that was brought in from that poster that we created earlier. And again, just like with the poster, everything is you can edit anything. So we can click on this, we can change the font, we can change the size, we can make it bold, italic, change the color, pure control for, for customizing everything. Now for the final example, what I want to do is I have this text that I want to convert into a LinkedIn carousel to share with my LinkedIn network that are local and want to be motivated to join this event that I'm hosting. And this text was generated by AI. So I want a simple way to kind of convert that AI text into an actual LinkedIn carousel. And what I can do here is, again, I can download this into a PDF file, and then we can go back into Veeso and select the carousel, and then we can obviously import the content from our docs. And once we have that, we can select social media and then scroll down to where we see LinkedIn. So we have LinkedIn post, and you can also select this option over here, which basically gives you like a template of how you can structure each slide. But I'm just going to start this from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate design. And for the first look, it looks really good. I mean, obviously it doesn't have our design, our original design style with the colors and all that applied to this, but it looks good. It gives me a good direction, gives me some good ideas as to, what design we can eventually do. We have like little post-it notes that I like over here. But then again, just like with the other one, make the design fit the style, add that reference that we saved, that we exported from that original poster. And then as you can see, we have our new design applied to it. Beautiful stuff, new font. We have our image from before. We can scroll down, it matches the same style that we want. We have these like new gray sections that I really like. Lean in or get left behind, rewire your workflow, which is basically like the call to action, and perfect. So we have some cool designs that I like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select certain frames like this one and like this one. And then we're going to go ahead and click on share and click on export. And we can manually export the ones that we want to, export. So I'm going to choose these, let's say these three over here, and select the format to be HTML. And let's go ahead and export this. And then inside of Claude Code, you can start up a new session. Again, you just want to go over here and you want to select the folder where you want to work in. And then as you can see over here, the first thing that I did was I just referenced that file. I literally just attached it over here to the prompt. And I said, can you create a landing page based on the contents and design from this? And literally, I'm not joking, the first try we get this, which looks amazing, really. Maybe some of the fonts are wrong, but all in all, the design looks really, really fantastic. And again, over here, if you want to change certain things, we can go back to Veeso and select this font that I really like, the VT323. And we can say, change the header font to be VT323. And then we start getting this new custom font throughout our site. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the entire workflow. Using Veeso to look for inspiration and to actually create designs based on your content, going ahead and creating these designs, as you can see over here, and then simply just exporting the designs that you want and importing them into Claude Code, where you can then eventually build up your own landing page or your own web app based on that original design. So it's a cool little like Claude Code design hack that you can try out today. So yeah, guys, if you have any comments or questions, please let me know down below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.